what you have to do to make the morning show. First of all, you have to be in the studio at 7:15, so you have time to practice and get prepared. Now let's see what else you need to do to make the morning show. Each month you will be given a calendar showing the days that you will be working during the month. Take that calendar home and put it on your refrigerator to help you remember. There's also a calendar posted here in the studio and by my classroom door so that you can go by and look each day if you forget. Try to be here on time because if you're late, we will have to put someone else in your place.
This is the desk where we say all of our announcements, and usually there's two people and we have different parts that we do. We have two people who do the show, and one person says the birthdays and they say like the life scale, and then the next person they do the announcements, and we have something called the unusual animal facts. Over here we have what we read to go on the show, and the first person they say this section, and the next person they say this, and then we both say this, and papers that we use that tell us what the birthdays and the lunch are, and we just write them down here, and then the first person that says the first section, they say it, and then at the end of birthdays, you say happy birthday, come to the office for your birthday surprise. She counts down for us to know when we're going to start, and then she points when we do start. And she also says cut whenever we need to stop.
This is the sound equipment. This is where Miss Gerald controls the volume. She also controls what is on the screen and what is shown to the school on the TV. On the laptop, Miss Gerald controls what slides are showing and when the Pledge of Allegiance plays and when the camera goes live. You will not need to worry about this equipment at first. You will learn about that much later once you're comfortable on the morning show. This is our camera, and you need to try to look at the camera as much as possible and smile so that the audience is listening and paying attention. This is the microphone that we use. It sits on the desk. You need to speak loudly and clearly and slowly at all times. And try to sit still. The microphone is very sensitive, so it picks up all sounds, not just your voice. If your feet are moving, it can hear that, or if you tap on the desk, it can hear that as well.
Good morning, I'm Kaden. The lunch for today is hamburger and ham bag lunch. We have no birthdays for today. Our life skill this week is pride. Always remember that you are a valuable human and have pride in who you are. Good morning, I'm Holly. We have a few announcements for today, and they are: today is our next family reading night in the library from 3 to 6. Plan to be there, and 4th grade still needs plastic. Bring in all the plastic you can. Today's word of the day is chouse, which means to cheat or trick someone. No one wants to play a game with someone known to chouse. That's our show. Have a tremendous Tuesday.
Okay, so you've learned all about the morning show. You've learned all about the studio, the equipment that we use. You've learned about the calendar. You've learned about the signals that we use to start and stop the show. Now you know everything. So are you ready to try? You're going to be nervous the first time, that is for sure. And you're going to make mistakes too. Everyone does. So if you make a mistake, just smile, keep going, don't make a big deal about it. And before you know it, you'll be doing it, no problem, not worrying about it at all. If you have any questions, of course, myself, we have many helpers in the studio every day, so that is the big thing. Make sure you ask a question. If you're not sure, ask. So, now you're ready. It's your turn. Good luck.